Hey, this is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and in this video I'm going to replace the engine air filter on a 2021 Chevy Silverado. So this is your air box. It has 3 screws, one right here, and one right here. And you can either use a Phillips screwdriver or you can use a 5/16 inch socket. And I'm going to use the socket because I don't want to strip out the screws. Now, in order to get the air box off, you will need to take off the mass airflow sensor just so that you can shift the box enough. So pull back the red tab, squeeze the tab, and pull out. And that will come out. And then if you come over here to the side of the air box, there's some tabs. So if you slide the box out away from you, you should be able to get it to pull out of those slots. As you can see, it popped out there. Put this to the side, and then we can take out our old filter. As you can see, it's pretty dirty. And here's the new air filter. I have a link to the exact one that you need in the description below, just to make it easy. And here's a comparison between the two filters. You can see the new one is much cleaner. So we'll go ahead and install the new one. And then you can put the air box back on top of it. Slide the tabs in. And it should be lined back up. Now we can put the screws back in. Now don't forget to plug back in your mass airflow sensor. And there you go. That's how to replace the engine air filter on a 2021 Chevy Silverado. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.